The objective of this lesson is to understand the IFNA formula in Excel. So what is IFNA? IFNA basically is a formula where you give it an input. It could be a formula, a cell, anything. And then if this input is NA, it will return something you'll specify. If it's not NA, it will return whatever you have given the formula as an input. And this is important because a lot of you, when they use VLOOKUP, for example, will get NA values, and then you'll start using INF formulas with a combination of other formulas to take care of those cases. I'm going to show you how it's easy to do it with an IFNA and very simple. So here we have a table which has a brand, horsepower, and price. And I'm trying as an assignment to get the price of those two types of cars, those two brands. So I'm going to use a VLOOKUP for this, which you can see here. And for details on VLOOKUP, I'm going to put a link in the description for the lesson on VLOOKUP. So in this case, because I have Mercedes in my table, I got the price. But Toyota is not in my table, so I got NA. And it's not nice to have usually NA when you are analyzing data, for example. So what can you do? Let's try the IFNA formula and see what will happen. So I'm going to write equal IFNA, open bracket. I'm going to say this is the value. And then if it's NA, I'm going to write by double quotation mark, there is an issue. And then I get 120. Why? Because this is not an A, right? Now here, instead of hard coding this is an issue, I could have done this. I select this cell, which means it's going to give me problems. So let's do this on the second case, which is the Toyota case that is not in my table. So I'm going to say if NA, this is the value. And again, this VLOOKUP, I can embed it here also, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to say value if NA is problem. And then I get problem. So with a very simple formula, I can replace all my NAs with whatever I want. It could be, for example, a text. It could be a calculation, 5 times 6, for example. So I get 30, and so on.